Welcome back, everyone. Today I'll be guiding you through a practical and straightforward process, how to build a financial report in Power BI. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by business data or wish there was a simple way to visualize numbers and trends, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to create interactive charts, tables, and even a decomposition tree, all using a sample financial table, so you'll see just how flexible and powerful Power BI can be in real-world finance scenarios. Let's jump right in. We're starting with a sample financial table. Think of this as your raw ingredients, the revenue, expenses, or other financial metrics you want to analyze. Don't worry if your table isn't exactly like mine. Power BI is designed to work with almost any structured data you have, whether it's downloaded from your accounting software or manually typed in Excel. Next, we'll switch over to the report view. This is where the magic happens. Report view is kind of like your creative studio inside Power BI. Here, you get to decide how your data tells its story. You'll notice a canvas where you can drag and drop visualizations, arrange them, and tweak their settings. Take a moment to get comfortable, explore the menus, and lay out a bit. The goal here is to make your data clear and actionable for whoever's reading the report, whether it's your boss, a client, or just you. Let's start by adding a chart. The choice of chart really depends on the story you want to tell. For example, if you want to show revenue growth over time, a line chart is a classic pick. If you want to compare different expense categories, a column chart might work better. Selecting the right visualization helps your audience understand the numbers at a glance. In Power BI, you simply click on the type of chart you want, drag it onto the canvas, and then add your data fields from the right side pane. For instance, you could drag month to the axis and revenue to the values. Instantly, Power BI transforms your raw numbers into something visual and insightful. If something doesn't look right, don't stress, take another look at the fields you've added and adjust as you need. Sometimes you'll need to experiment to get the display just right. Now maybe you want to show more detailed breakdowns. That's where tables come in. Tables are the backbone of many financial reports, letting you lay out values, categories, and totals in a clear, readable format. Just add the table visualization and then drag in your data, perhaps account name, amount, and date. Tables are really handy for lists of transactions or budget comparisons. And you can always sort and filter right inside the table, so your viewers can focus on what matters most. Next up is one of Power BI's standout features, the decomposition tree. This visualization is fantastic when you want to dig into numbers and figure out what's driving changes. For example, you could break down total expenses by department, then by month, and then by specific accounts. To add it, simply select the decomposition tree, put it on the canvas, and add your main value, for example, total expense. From there, layer in fields like department or region. This part might take a few moments because you're coaching Power BI on how to drill down into the data, but once it's set up, it's super interactive. You and your viewers can explore the root causes of the numbers with just a few clicks. Of course, what I've shown here is a demo, but really it's as easy as that to make your own financial report in Power BI. You can mix and match visualizations, arrange them to fit your needs, and even customize colors and interactions for that final professional touch. So that's the core workflow. Start with your financial table, head to Report View, add a chart, a table, and a decomposition tree, and connect your data. Just like that, you're building a dynamic, smart financial report. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out. And if you have any questions about Power BI or building reports, leave a comment below. I read every one and I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next video.